Hi, welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. I'm his wife, Susie, and we got a great product in from a vendor. This is a free product and a paid review. And this is a small wall cabinet. I like to put things together, so I'm going to put it together for you. So the instructions. Okay, assembly tips. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. It has an exploded drawing of how it goes together and all the sides, all the pieces. It does look. So those are my two number ones. Okay, number 3. I have 2 of those. This must be the hardware. Number 2, I have 2 of those. And this is yes. Okay, so that's for the closers. Shelves. Okay, screwdriver. Let's see. These are already pre-drilled, and they have like an anchor in there already. So that's nice that that's already done. Two number 2s and 2 number 3s, and like so many things these days, the directions are really just pictures, so you have to really pay attention. So up on the top up here when we were doing number 1, it does say ×2, and this one does not. Okay, so it never tells you to take this second set of 2 and 3 and put those together as well, but you need to do that because it has the hardware in there as well. So on the number 2, you have the routed channel towards you, and there's another one of those pre-drilled holes with that anchor in there. Number 3, it has a hole here. You're going to slide 3 right over the top of that cam bolt. And that's where these guys come in. So this is the other part of the cam bolt. It is Phillips on this side. So you put that in the large hole, and there's directions in here, super simple. You put that right in there on the head of that cam bolt, and then you tighten it down, and that attaches to that cam bolt and does that. So that's it. So far so good. Just repeating what I just did on the other side. Holes, so we're going to go right over the cam bolts and the pegs I just put in there, and that fits perfect. And we're going to put some cam bolts in. to, normally you have a cabinet just with that thin stuff on the back, but this is going to be where I'm pretty sure that you're going to mount that to the wall. So that gives really good support when you're going to put that on the wall. Space on the bottom than I am on the top. And this one has little grooves, 4 little grooves, 2 on each side, and they're going to lay right on top of those pegs. There we go. So there's the shelf. It's pretty solid. Okay, so what we're going to do. Okay, so we got the handle put on and the hinges put on. We attached the door to the hinges that were already on. Right now that these are awesome.
Tell you what, that mounted to any wall.
Right, so those great anchors and those big long, are they bolts or screws? I don't know. But that is really going to solidly mount that to your wall.
Absolutely.
So those are awesome, but look what we did.
Excellent storage.
Yes.
Oh, that was all sitting on that shelf back there.
Yes, and
now it looks organized.
Gets to be such a mess.
All right.
So, yeah. So if you're needing some extra space, these are awesome, and they're super solid, and they would look really nice.
Beautiful. Looks great.
Love it. Go grab one or two.